I'm Erika.
And I'm Dani.
Welcome for our tutorial today. Today we're going to be looking at the difference between simple past and present perfect in conversation. All right, now the difference is that simple past we use when we know the time. Present perfect is when we do not know the time. The time is unknown. Okay guys, so here we go. All right.
Hey Erika, have you ever been to Europe?
Yes, I have. I've been to Germany.
Really? When did you go?
I went last year with my family.
Oh, wow. That's great.
Have you ever been to Germany?
No, I haven't, but I'd like to.
Well, hopefully you'll be able to go on your next vacation.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, so this you can see in course 9 here at Harmon Hall Puebla Juárez, 2424158. Bye.